Children, we have already discussed letter. Today I'll tell you the letter of a layout of a letter to the editor. Children, if I'm talking about letter to the editor, see, first of all, look at the question. The question is of National Daily, and make sure that you will write down this letter in your fair notebook. Children, if I'm talking about the letter to the editor of a national daily, you will write down the name of the newspaper which is circulated throughout the nation. And in case if the question comes of a local daily, you will write down the name of the newspaper which is circulated within our town. Children, first of all, the very first thing which you have to look at is the heading. Children, heading is sender's address and date. Sender's address means in case if you're writing down a letter, then your address, they will provide you with the address. You don't have to mention your address. Whenever we are writing down in the board examination, you're not supposed to pen down your address. They'll provide you with the address that you are so and so of, you live here so and so at this place. So you will write down the same address, and then comes with the date. Then the second point, you have to be very careful, the address of the addressee to whom you are writing down the letter. Then the third point is salutation, and fourth is subject line to focus attention. Children, subject line to focus attention, actually why do we write the subject? Children, we write down the subject so that it is in brief, so that it attracts the attention of the reader. It is clearly mentioned over there what is the letter all about. So this is the only reason we write down the subject. It should be very brief. It should be in a brief manner. And salutation, if you are talking about, in case if it is a letter to the principal, then only it would be respected. Otherwise it should be a very official language. We can write down dear sir or only sir also. In case if you are writing down a business letter and you are dealing with a firm, then for the firm you will write down sirs also, because there are many partners, there are many members over there. So you can write down sirs also. Children, then we come up with the next point, that is the body of the letter. The body of the letter, in the previous video also I have explained to you, try to write down in the three of the paragraphs, divide it into the three of the paragraphs. Children, first, the body of the letter, actually it contains the introductory para, then the main para, and the concluding para. Introductory para is what all you are, suppose you are offering, yesterday I gave you the assignment that for the bulk you are asking him to order it. So you will tell me that tell him that you are so and so, and you are manufacturer of so and so. And in the main part you can write down that what all discounts you are providing. And in the third concluding para, you can write down what all you are enclosing along with this letter. Then comes with the next part, comes with complimentary clause. Children, complimentary clause is you can write down thanking you, otherwise it is for the editor only. In the business letter you will not write down thanking you. In the business letter, mind it is a letter to the editor I am talking about. You will only write down letter to the editor thanking you. In the rest of the business letters, you will not write down, you will not write thanking you. You will not mention thanking you, and your sincerely and faithfully only. Truly is no longer in use. So I have cut yours truly, and then your name and your designation, your signature and designation if it is applicable. You will note down this letter in your fair notebook. Coming up to the next letter, children, I have given you one example that you are Varsha Varun, the secretary of the Students Forum of Navodaya School, okay, Bikaner. You have planned an excursion to Bhubaneswar and nearby places during summer vacation. Write a letter to the general manager, Northern Railways, asking for reservation of a bogie for 60 children from Bikaner to Bhubaneswar and back, supplying all the necessary information. In case if you are not able to see the words, I'll send it in the group. I'll send the picture in the group, so don't worry. So first of all, we will write down the answer would be your school name, as I've told you, the sender's address, and then the date, and then it would be address of the addressee, and then the subject, and then the salutation. I told you earlier also, it is not necessary that you will write down the salutation and then only the subject or the salutation. These 2 points you can write down either the subject or the salutation. Now it is salutation, and then you will start with a subject and then salutation, and then you will write down the body of the letter. A group of 60 students of senior classes of this school have planned to visit Bhubaneswar and nearby worth seeing spots during the ensuing summer vacation, जो आ रही है summer vacation. This will be accompanied by 3 teachers and 2 attendants. The touring party intends to leave Bikaner on 15th May, you can write down 2020, by Bikaner Mail in a specially reserved bogie to be linked to Konark Express at Delhi. You have to tell them the details. Whenever you are writing down a letter, a little bit of details is required. That what is the destination and where would you move from, what would be your spot, and then you would tell who all are accompanying with you. They are likely to commence their return journey on 10 June by the same train. Please confirm whether a bogie can be reserved for them during the above dates. An early confirmation at your end will help the school authorities finalize the other necessary arrangement. Now the concluding para would be, you are also requested to supply the details of estimated expenditure, what all expenditure would come. Children, please, I'm telling you, I'll send you again, focus on the audio. Some of the children, they mentioned that ma'am, it is not clear, and I'll send you the picture again. You focus on the audio only. Details of estimated expenditure with students. Concession so that the money may be deposited well in time. List of tour party on prescribed performer is enclosed. You will write down the enclosures also, and that hoping for an early reply. Yours faithfully, your name and your designation. Children, whenever we are writing down a letter to the authority, you have some designation with you. Without your designation, you're not supposed to write down any of the letters, so designation is must. Coming up to the next one. See, it is clear in this. In case if it is clear in this, you can see. I'll send it in the group. Now you will copy down this format also. Letters to the editor, you will copy down this format. Children, sender's address, then pin date, inside address, pin subject. Sir / ma'am, then introductory para, main body of the letter, concluding para. Yours faithfully, signatures, sender's address, designation if needed. You will copy down this format. Then comes with the next format. Children, in case if you are talking about the business common features of a formal letter, children. So first of all, we have to be very careful. Regarding the format. Common features of a formal letter. The first one would be, the very first point which you will consider is sender's address. First is sender's address and date, and then inside addressee address, then the salutation, then subject, then sir / ma'am, body. Body, I have told you in the 3 parts: beginning, content and concluding part, that is end. Subscription means the complimentary close. Subscription means complimentary close. Yours sincerely, or your truly, you will avoid a little bit. Now next one is business letter. In case the block wise format of different kind of letters I'll discuss with you. First is business letter. Children, in case if we talk about business letter, please learn this format because very important. This format is very important. Children, see, first of all, we'll write down the telephone number. Then our reference number. Yesterday in the previous video I've explained you reference number. Our reference means where you have got the information from, and your reference, in case if the number is there, in case somebody has published the advertisement in the newspaper, then there is a reference number mentioned over there. You will mention over there. Then sender's address, pin, date, inside address, pin, subject. Then comes with the salutation, sir or ma'am. Then introductory, main body, concluding, yours faithfully. But in the business letter, you have to be careful regarding the reference number. And the last you can see, check it out. Enclosure. Enclosure. I have told you that you will write down enclosure means what all you are enclosing with it. What all documents you are enclosing with this particular letter, any of the paper, any of the certificate. And CC means copy. Suppose in case if I'm giving this letter to you and to the principal sir as well, I'll write down copy to the principal sir. Means I'm giving to you and it is for your information that this particular copy I am handing over this copy to some other person also. So CC means copy to some other authority also. Then comes with letter to the editor and letter to the school college. I have already discussed with you the complimentary clause. Children, we have already done. See, now I'll send you the